Hello friends, in this lecture we will see groove milling, and for groove milling I have this part and I have two linear groove here. So for this groove we need a linear groove. That groove must be a linear in direction. Any circular groove or any taper groove will not be work here. It is This operation is suitable for the linear groove only. And first we need to define a tool. So double click over it, and this is my tool. See, define a tool properly so that it will cut that groove properly. Folder or tool should not be collide with the part geometry. Okay, and here blank and the part is already defined. In select this groove and program, folder, tcutter, workpiece and method. Okay, so first of all we need to specify this groove geometry, and my groove is this. Okay, because this area is not cut, that's why it is showing the hole. And my workpiece is use 3D, so 3D object it is going to be used. If you will select this none, so only the portion which is available here it will show you. And for this condition, in our condition, we must use this use 3D so that it will cut whole object. And here we can specify the stock on the floor or ceiling, let's say 0.5, C 0.5, and for the wall 0.2. Okay, if you want to do any roughing operation, if you are doing the finishing, keep it 0. And the length of this total is 108. This total length is 108, and width is 5, and the depth is 8. Okay, and here step over is 1 and the depth of cut is 3. Okay, and stock is 0. And from the geometry already defined, feed and speed, cut region. Okay, cut region, what is this? First generate it, and now say center to ceiling. First it will start, it is too fast. So first it is starting from the middle, then it will cut the upper cut, then bottom cut. Okay, this is a sequence. Now I want to change it from floor to ceiling or ceiling to floor. Any sequence you can use, so I'm using this, and it is cutting this hole. Okay, in a single cut. So I can define step over and depth of cut. So number of depth passes is 3. I'm going to increase as 6. Generate. See, 6 number of passes are there now. And step over, I'm going to select as 3 and generate. And the step overs are 3. Okay, let's see this in 3D. Okay, so this is groove milling operation. Okay, and if you want to create the program, so Select host processor, Fanuc. Okay. Okay, here is the program. T cutter, 18 dial, tool length, and all this.